In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filters to your Shopify store so customers can quickly find the products they want. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify admin dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Online Store. Next, select Navigation from the menu options. Inside the Navigation section, look for Search and Filters or Filter Settings depending on your Shopify theme and setup. Now click Add Filters to begin customizing your product filtering options. Shopify allows you to add filters like product availability, price, size, color, brand, product type, and more. Choose the filters that best match your products and customer shopping experience. After selecting your filters, save the changes so they appear on your collection and search pages. If you want even more advanced filtering features, you can also visit the Shopify App Store and search for filter or search apps to expand your store's functionality. For better filtering results, make sure your products have accurate tags, categories, colors, sizes, and descriptions. Adding filters to your Shopify store makes navigation easier, improves user experience, and can help increase conversions by helping customers find products faster. Thanks for watching.